How to get rid of herpes fast on lips. It can take between 2 to about a month for a mouth blister to mend all alone. Be that as it may, there are things you can do to cause them to disappear quicker. Here are 3 things that can help relieve a mouth blister or make it clear up quicker. 1. Attempt home cures. At the point when utilized right on time, there are a few cures that can help facilitate the torment and lessen expanding and may even abbreviate the term of a mouth blister. Cold, soggy washcloth. Ice or cold pack. Petroleum jam. Pain relievers, for example, ibuprofen and acetaminophen. 2. Apply skin creams and salves. There are a couple over-the-counter sedative balms and creams that can help control torment, for example, lidocaine or benzocaine. A few items, for example, those containing docosanol or benzyl liquor, may even advance quicker recuperating when utilized early and in ample sums. 3. Take physician-endorsed meds. There are antiviral medications that can enable mouth blisters to mend quicker, including acyclovir, valacyclovir, famciclovir and penciclovir. In case you're having successive episodes or encountering a portion of the genuine symptoms of having a mouth blister, your PCP may consider recommending antiviral medicine. To dispose of a mouth blister rapidly, the best thing you can do is begin regarding it at the earliest opportunity, says Dr. Earthy Colored. A consuming or shivering sensation all the rage or face can be an early admonition sign that a mouth blister is creating, and the prior you begin lessening growing and treating the mouth blister, the quicker it will recuperate. How to get rid of herpes fast on lips. How might I prevent mouth blisters from framing? So you nipped your last mouth blister erupt in the bud, like a champ, and it endured not exactly 7 days, yet here you are, only a couple of months after the fact, and the mouth blisters are back. There's uplifting news, and afterward there's terrible news. How about we start with the awful news? When an individual is tainted with herpes simplex infection, the person is contaminated forever, says Dr. Earthy Colored. After a mouth blister recuperates, the infection isn't really cleared from your body. Rather, the infection goes once again into your nerves, where it can lie lethargic for significant stretches of time. At the point when the infection reappears, it commonly does as such in a similar spot as in the past. So what triggers the infection to reactivate and cause an erupt? Dr. Earthy Colored says that a mouth blister episode can be set off by fever, illness, including a virus, menstruation, stress, sunlight, weakened safe framework. Yet, here's the uplifting news. While there's very little you can do about a portion of these triggers, others can be maintained a strategic distance from. Stress can debilitate your safe framework, which might be a trigger for mouth blisters to reappear. On the off chance that you experience the ill effects of mouth blisters and figure they might be brought about by pressure, it's a smart thought to deal with your pressure by means of intervention or other unwinding methods, proposes Dr. Earthy Colored. In the event that you've seen that your flare UPS are connected to daylight, make certain to apply sunscreen or sun defensive lip emollient before going out in the sun.